Ever wondered why potatoes, a staple food in many parts of the world, are often misunderstood? Does it surprise you that this humble vegetable, usually associated with weight gain and unhealthy eating, is actually a nutritional powerhouse? Potatoes, contrary to popular belief, are brimming with health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, offering a multitude of advantages for our body. One medium potato, for instance, contains nearly half the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also aids in iron absorption and contributes to skin health by promoting collagen production. Potatoes also provide a significant amount of vitamin B6. This vital nutrient plays a key role in brain development during pregnancy and infancy, as well as supporting the production of serotonin, a hormone that influences mood. But that's not all. The humble potato is also a rich source of potassium, a mineral that aids in reducing blood pressure by countering the effects of sodium. In fact, one medium potato contains more potassium than a banana, a fruit often touted for its high potassium content. Moreover, potatoes contain a good amount of fiber, especially if eaten with their skin. Dietary fiber aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy weight and lower risk of heart diseases. Now, what about the elephant in the room? The carbohydrate content, you ask? Well, potatoes are indeed high in carbohydrates, but these are complex carbs, not the simple sugars found in junk food. These complex carbs provide us with sustained energy, and when combined with the potato's high fiber content, it results in a steady rise in blood sugar, not a spike. To wrap things up, potatoes, when prepared healthily and consumed in moderation, can be a great addition to a balanced diet. They offer a host of nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber. They are also a source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. The key takeaway here? Don't shy away from the humble potato. It's not the villain it's often made out to be. Instead, it's a versatile vegetable, a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute significantly to a healthy diet. So next time you see a potato, remember, it's packed with more than just starch, it's packed with an array of essential nutrients too.